Hey, so this is a map of how we use all of the tools that we use at Puzzle, and you can see that it's a giant map. It's our visual playbook for our business. And as I zoom out, you can see all of the sections that represent each of the processes that interrelate with each other in different ways. And the really powerful thing about this system is that I'm able to go and see exactly where all of these steps are using HubSpot or Zoom or Motion or Google Sheets or PandaDocs in the tool canvas. So I talk a lot about the relational database for business operations as a definition for what Puzzle is. And I wanted to just show you exactly what that looks like. So in the tool canvas, you can see all of the tools, a lot of which I listed in this post above, are displayed right here. So I get to visualize exactly all of my entire tech stack here. And I can click on each one of these tools and open up a sidebar to understand exactly where those tools are used in the process. So you can see for Arcade, we use Arcade as an interactive product demo software, and it's used in these two steps right here. And so these are linked. And the reason why they're linked is because this tool, Arcade, is tagged on the step. And so that's what gives Puzzle the relational database for your business operations and allows better visibility into using your diagrams for change management. So if you want to unplug, replace Arcade, I don't know why you do that, it's a wonderful product, or replace Intercom, or replace, Zapier, you would be able to come to your tool canvas and understand exactly where this system is used across all of the processes that it's assigned to. And of course, I get my notes and the ability to embed looms right here that can act as training for any new people that are coming into the organization to understand exactly what Zapier is and how you use it in your operation. So this is how Puzzle becomes the relational database for your business operations. And the benefit of having this type of tool is you can navigate and pivot on information. You can pivot on the tool canvas. You can also pivot on team design, right? So you can drag and drop roles and teams and then understand where that role contributes across one or more processes. And so it allows you to just have better visibility into every facet of your operations between process, people, and tools, and be able to pivot on this information. So I hope this excites you. And if you're interested, shoot me a message. Cheers.